All right, Jeff from RV Diagnostics. A lot of you know that by now. But anyway, there's some questions out there. I'm going to get the answer. This one took a while. So a lot of you have the metal blinds that are up in these RVs. A lot of the SMCs, Beavers, Monacos, probably all the way up to 2004 I've seen them. So I'm going to turn this around and show you. Talking about these type, like the house type. So this is the part that sits here, right there, the valance and all that goes over. And you have these little metal tabs, so I'll put you on pause. Now, of course, it's a lot easier. You see the little metal tab sticking out? It's got an arm. So you're going to pull that arm back in and lock it all the way up against the white part. And here we go, see? So it is holding it. So then you got to undo it. Now, you're upside down doing this. That's the fun part, right? So here we go. And let's go. Make a liar out of me. Let's go. There you go. So that's it. There you go. Right? They lock. And that piece grabs the inside channel right here. There's two channels. So the outside channel grabs under here. The inside channel, the arm grabs. See? There's another one. So imagine doing these upside down. Yeah, that's fun. Quick video to let you know how to get them off of there. You can clean them or whatever, replace them, whatever you want to do. I've seen a couple questions about that. So yeah, when I get ready to do my Beaver, I'll show people how to do it. So here we go, folks. We got all the wires pulled. Those there I just clipped, so I can leave everything in there. Here they are all wrapped up. Here's your communication cable for the Hurricane or Oasis, whatever system. And then there's the round one, right, is your telephone cable or for the air conditioner. Okay, and here's your 120 15 amp Pro Max, and it has an outlet right in there. 120 I had to pull out, and then it had another one I tucked back in there. So pretty soon this is coming out, but I'm gonna take this apart, get it out, put it in my office because we're getting all new stuff. I was thinking about taking this down, this cabinet, making a system down here with a fireplace, and then I'm just going to possibly put down a drop down TV here. Alright, so different options I got. I can build a televator, but I really don't want to put another slide in. Got one here. I can do it, but I'm 65, I'm getting old, but we'll see. You know what I mean? It's probably going to cost me 10 grand. We'll see. I'm trying to get away from that option. You understand what I'm saying? All right, so Jeff from RV Diagnostics, please subscribe. So the other contest has ended. I went from 6,000 to 7,500 members. I gave away $6,800 worth of prizes. Those prizes are a 12-month subscription free to my website, which costs you $170. That's one-on-one with you. You know, you got to go there, look at the testimonial videos. I could have 1,000, 2,000 testimonial videos, but they all pretty much say the same thing. So there you go. All right. How it works, how it saves you thousands of dollars a year for 170. So the other one is my Facebook page, folks. I need to get it to 34,000. Tell people out there about me. I'm at 33,200 now, I think. 33,158 or something. So, once again, thank you. Remember the mottos, test, not guess. And this continuation of putting in internal and external seals for the slide, and putting an internal wiper seal. That was a genius idea. And that's it. Every manufacturer does theirs a little bit different, and then you find out. And I knew about them. Oh man, it ripped about 2 inches. A couple years later, the 2 inches turned to 6. And a couple years later, that 6 turned to 12. The wiper. I said, nah, it's time. So my wife really wants that theater seating. It's got power headrest. It almost lays down to the bed. I think it's not a wall hugger. It's a zero clearance. It goes all up against the wall, and then it goes out vertically, horizontally 66 inches. That's nice. That's almost laying down. Power lombard. What's the other one? Oh, power headrest. Where you go back and forth for us a little. Our necks that are little. When I did that right there, I don't know if you heard that crack, but hey, 65 is still alive. All right, thank you very much, Jeff from RV Diagnostics. The motto is test not guess. And safe travels, and may your campfires burn bright till we meet again. Where are we going to meet? Right here on this YouTube channel, RV Diagnostics. Where are we going to meet in person? At campgrounds. If you see me, come on, stop by. Doesn't mean I'm going to fix your RV. I am on vacation. Depends how the weather is. You know what I mean? I get to be selective, folks. You can't blame me. I am on vacation. My wife drinks wine. She likes different wines. I don't. I take a shot every now and then, but like 5 a year, right? There you go. So I probably won't drink. But we might if the weather's good and the wives get along and they go, go spend money on something stupid. To us, to them, it's very important. So I should say that. Another knick-knack is really needed. And we can meet at the fueling stations, right? And sometimes I see y'all going the other way. Like if I'm going northbound, I see you on southbound, I do the air horn, and people are like, whoa. So there you go. All right, so that's where we can meet. Or at this school and garage. In the wintertime, we have a hot tub. Got to ask my wife if that's okay, Sometimes if she allows it. And in the summertime, we got a built-in swimming pool, right? We can all relax and learn. And, you can do a personal school, make your own videos of everything that we went over. A lot of people enjoy it. They're highly excited about what they learned. And that's what it's about. RV, repair vehicle. The most important one is read volumes of information, right? And remember volumes of information. Thank you very much, Jeff from RV Diagnostics. This is just a little video on how to remove the window shutters or whatever they call them, blinds that are metal that are up inside there in the ballast. Thank you very much.